Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Friday. I am back. The wind has died down a lot and the sun is shining a little bit. So that's exciting. And check it out. I have a whole bunch of PR boxes here that I'm going to be opening. I'm so excited because I'm actually starting to get a lot more PR now, which is amazing. I am on the Tree Hut PR list, which is so exciting because they've been sending me a lot of boxes. Pixim by Petra has been sending me a lot of really nice stuff. So I've been using these. These are the Liquid Gold Fluid Cheek Tint, and all of the links for all of these products are down below with my Shop My account. So what colors do I have? I have Liquid Gold in Peony and Warmth. And then the one I've been using a lot is called Fresh. So what this is, it's just basically a blush. You put a little bit on like that. You don't need a lot either. These last forever. And then kind of like rub them in with your hands and check it out. I look a lot more lively. ColourPop sent me these. They're so cute. Look at these. This is a let me get the exact name on these. These are called Ultra Glossy Lips. And I gotta say, they're so much fun because they're shiny. So I'm gonna put a little, look at that. You see that shine? Gorgeous. I gotta say, I really like these. I've been using these a lot. So I've got, one is actually a gloss, and then the other two, they have a little bit of like, almost like a satin shade, but thank you ColourPop for those. From Remedy, check it out. I got this. This is fun. I got a Rich Cream Barrier Repairing Facial Moisturizer, a dark spot correcting advanced serum, and a healthy aging advanced serum. So I'm going to try these out. I'm going to open one of these up. This is what it looks like. It's a lot of product. Check that out. And these have Super Stack Dark Spot Correcting Treatment, which is always good when you're over 50. So I did get this. This one is the Rich Cream Barrier Repairing Facial Moisturizer, Quadruple Ceramides, Multi-Lipid Complex, Peptids, and Glycerin. So I got that. Check it out. I got a box from Snif. I'm so excited. You guys are going to be surprised about this. This is actually a laundry product. Okay, I might need to get my scissors for this one. Maybe not. Can I do it with my fingers? I'm hoping I can. I got it. Okay. Are you ready? Check it out. Look at this. It's called Old Money. How fun is this? So this is a Old Money laundry detergent. I'm like, how fun is that? And this is a liquid scent booster. Apparently Snif is doing these now. I'm kind of curious about these because it's a Luxe scent, all-purpose, deep cleaning, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, and fabric safe. So this one is actually really piquing my interest here with the scent. So let me pull it out. This is what they look like. Look at that. Cardamom, tonka bean, curcumin. What the heck is that? Look at that. Vanilla, sandalwood, and musk. So I'm gonna smell this. Okay, if I can get it open. There we go. Got it open. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, it's sealed. That makes sense. Let me open this up. Double sealed. That's good. Okay, let me see if I can just, there we go, poke a hole in there. Oh, that does smell really good, actually. I'm just put some on my hand. I actually like this. This does smell really good. I like the cardamom in there. I think my husband would like this. But look at that. Laundry detergent called Old Money from Snif. And let me see what this looks like. This is the fabric booster, descent booster. So look at that. I'm like, that's kind of fun. Level up dosage cup. Okay, so that was exciting. And it smells really good. It's not overpowering. So I know they had a lot of different fragrances. I'm going to have to look up to see what else they have. So anyway, that's new. Okay, next up, what is in here? Oh, Epsom It. Look at this. It's a soothing muscle lotion, concentrated Epsom salt lotion. Oh, I need this. I need this a lot. I love Epsom salt. Oh, it's not like overpowering either. Okay, so let me try a little bit of this on. I love Epsom salt. You always feel so good after you use Epsom salt. Oh, and it's not super strong either. Oh my gosh. It's almost unscented, I would say, which is nice. Original Epsom salt soak without the tub. Check that out. Epsom It. Again, I will have all the links below to all of these products. Next up, I got a package from Freck Beauty. Let me open this one up. So exciting to get packages. It's like Christmas. Okay. Do this. Oh, what is this? Got a couple of things in here. Hey, beautiful. Welcome to the Freck fam. We hope you enjoy your new clean, vegan, and cruelty-free holy grails. We can't wait to see what you create. The Freck Beauty team. Always fun when they put a little note in there. So I got Face Hack Blur Bond Setting Spray. I got this. Let me open this up. See what it looks like. Check it out right here. Spray a little of this on. I'm not getting a scent, which is good. Always good to have unscented when you're doing like a setting spray. They also sent me, oh my gosh, this is so cute. The original Freckle. What is this? Beauty. Oh, you can make freckles. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that's actually really adorable. Okay. And then I got Freckle XL Longwear Freckle Makeup. How cute. Look at, thank you so much. From Freck Beauty. Okay, I got one more box here. I don't know what this is. What do I do with mine? What I do with my pen, you guys, it's not a good idea to open stuff with a pen. Like, you know that is not, oh, here it is. It's not the smartest thing to do, but I'm doing it anyway. Because you know the pen's gonna break. It's only a Bic, but like it's not an expensive pen. I love my Bic pens though, I gotta say. Okay, let me get this one open. Okay, oh, what is this? Oh, this is from BeautyBio. Look at this. I got, you can get rid of that. I got the eyeliner concentrate smoothing brightening serum and depuffing tool. Ooh, that sounds exciting. I'm going to open this stuff. I also got a Bright Eyes depuffing brightening eye gels. Oh, eye gels are always good. That's always something that you go, yeah, I need a little depuffing, especially when you're over 50. I think everyone could use a depuffing. I'm going to open this real quick. There we go. Let me see here. Oh, it's sealed on both sides, which is good. Sealed on both sides is always a good thing. Let me open this up. Almost got it, you guys. I'm having package trouble today. There we go. I got it. Oh, this is cute. Look, I like this because they come in their own little packaging. So Bright Eyes. I'm going to try those. These are Restorative Colloidal Silver. And then the final thing I got is the Quench Face Cream from BioBeauty. Restores elasticity, helps improve radiance, and resolves visible dryness. So I want to thank all these companies for sending me stuff. I'm also getting stuff from Elmis and Jukebox, which is part of Dr. Squatch. I've done videos of a lot of these products. So I'm super excited that I am getting more PR. It's great when I get stuff to show you guys, new products. Anyway, super exciting. Let me know what you think. Looks fun, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.